Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on Indeed. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your personal profile where you can manage all your job-related information. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings and profile management. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view and edit all your personal information, work history, and importantly, your resume section. This is essentially your career hub on Indeed where employers can view your qualifications. Once you're on your profile page, scroll through the different sections until you locate the one labeled Resume. This section is specifically designed to store your resume file, making it easier for potential employers to access your qualifications when you apply for jobs. Having your resume uploaded here streamlines the application process significantly. Under the Resume section, you'll see an option that says Upload Resume. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your resume file to your Indeed profile. This feature supports various file formats, so you can upload the document in whichever format you've saved it. A file browser window will now open on your screen. Navigate through your computer's folders to locate where you've saved your resume file. Once you find it, click on the file to select it. Make sure you're selecting the most recent and updated version of your resume to ensure employers see your latest information. After selecting your file, click the Open button. This will initiate the upload process and Indeed will begin processing your document. The platform needs to convert your file into a viewable format that can be displayed properly on their system. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the preview loads. The time this takes depends entirely on your file size and internet connection speed. Larger files with images or complex formatting may take a bit longer, so be patient during this step. The system is working to ensure your resume displays correctly. Once the upload completes, you'll see a preview of your resume on the screen. This preview shows you exactly how your resume will appear to potential employers who view your profile. It's a helpful feature that lets you verify everything looks professional and properly formatted before finalizing the upload. Review the preview carefully, and if everything looks correct, click Yes, this PDF looks right. This confirms that you're satisfied with how your resume appears, and Indeed will now save it to your profile. Your resume is now officially uploaded and ready to be viewed by recruiters and hiring managers. And that's it. Your resume is now successfully added to your Indeed profile, making it much easier to apply for jobs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.